Okay, in lesson 20, equations example 2, we have to solve the following. 3 outside of x minus 6 minus x minus 4 equals 8. Now, this one you need to be very careful with because you've got a negative sign here. And this is very, very dangerous because lots of people have made errors here. Pause the video if you like and have a go at it, but just be very careful of that negative sign. Okay, removing the brackets, we get 3x minus 18 minus x. Now this becomes plus 4. Did you have plus 4? Because that's where the errors come in. Now collecting the like terms, we get 2x. This becomes minus 14 equals 8. And back to a very simple one. We're going to add 14 to both sides. That's going to give me 2x. Now, 8 plus 14 is going to give me 22. Now, we'll divide both sides by 2. And now we get the result of x being equal to 11. If you like, check this one, putting 11 back into here. And in here, we're going to get 11 minus 6 is 5, and 3 times 5 is 15. Putting 11 back into here, we're going to, and taking 4 away, we'll get 7. Minus 7 and 15 minus 7 is 8. So you know you're correct. It's not a bad idea to do that little check step with a more involved equation, if you've got time in the examination, of course. Okay, in part 2, we have 2 outside of x minus 4 plus 1 equals 3 outside of x minus 2 plus 3. Now, we need to be careful again with this because there's a lot of things brackets to remove and things to collect. So this becomes 2x minus 8 plus 1 equals 3x minus 6 plus 3. I've seen a lot of students then take x across to the other side. No, what you need to do is just collect your like terms. 2x minus 7 equals 3x minus 3. Now, what you could do if you wanted to, you could swap this over and write this as 3x minus 3 equals 2x minus 7. And then I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. This just makes the x positive, that's all. And that gives me x minus 3 equals negative 7. And now we just add 3 to both sides. Add 3 to both sides. And we get x equals negative 4 as our solution. Now, if you like, you can go back in here and check your answer. So putting minus 4 back in there, that becomes minus 4 is minus 8. 2 times minus 8 is minus 16, plus 1 is minus 15 on this side. Putting more minus 4 in here, minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. 3 times minus 6 is minus 18, and plus 3 is minus 15. So you know you're correct.